husband, late Mr. Madhusudan Satpalkar, started first company of Maitreya Group, that is Maitreya Services Private Limited, in 98. Eventually, we developed series of companies, and by now there are around 11 different companies. Among the same, there is one company that produces FMCG product, a packaged drinking water, Maitree. At Maitreya Meganet, we have made proper use of resources and make the drinking water as per desirable standards. That also fulfills the requirement of local market.
Jyudani, a famous hill that has well-known divine temple of goddess Jyudani. Maitreya Meganet is located right at the foothills of this Jyudani hill. This plant produces packaged drinking water in different sizes. It has a production of 1 liter bottle, half liter bottle, and also 20 liters jar. Hi, this is Ranjit Surve. I'm the corporate manager for Maitreya Group of Companies. He is Mr. Pandurang Harir. He is educationally specialized in industrial microbiology and works with us as a plant in charge. The water produced here is qualified as per Indian standards and clauses laid down as per IS norms. We collect water from a borewell that receives incessant virgin water supply from this environmentally protected hill. This particular hill has blessed us by giving us the purest form of water. So Meganet ensures water collection from an ecologically protected natural underground system. Before we enter this area, we will have to put very well washed sleepers and a head cap for safety of the plant. The bottles which are required for bottling are processed and blown in the plant itself. These bottles are very well inspected by the in-house plant quality control staff before they are loaded on the bottling plant for a final product. The staff maintains the hygiene, cleanliness and neatness in the entire plant. Water accumulated first in a storage tank is disinfected by using proper amount of chlorine. Then it goes to the filter that has sand filtration technology. After the sand filter process, it goes through to the activated carbon filter, and in this process, the carbon absorbs the polluting particles of the water. Then the water is sent to the most advanced technology, softener. In this softener, the water is actually made potable. After that, water is pre-filtered. Then it is sent for reverse osmosis. In this system, water is passed through semi-permeable membranes having very minute size of microns. Post which, the water undergoes the treatments like fine micron polishing, ultraviolet radiation and ozonization. In ozonization, oxygen is generated by oxygen generator and converted into ozone gas. Water is then treated with this ozone gas that kills bacteria completely of the water. Ozone treated water has a longer life in the bottle and is a final product for bottling. Then the water is collected in the final product tank for further bottling. So the water that is produced here at Meganet is as per the standards laid by BIS. BIS means Bureau of Indian Standards. Water filling in the bottles happens in an automatic machine that has automatic rinsing, filling and capping system. And then the packaged drinking water bottle goes on the conveyor belt where it is checked for any type of foreign particles. After that, labels and sleeves are stuck on the bottles while they're running on the conveyor belt itself. Water bottles are then packed either in corrugated boxes or plastic wraps by well-trained staff. There is a separate unit for filling of 20 liters jars. Jars are very well washed and then sent for the final filling of the water. We have a very good storage room. In this room, we can store a lot of boxes of water bottles. At Meganet, we have a thoroughly equipped laboratory. In this lab, we have well-educated and trained staff to taste each batch of the water produced here. So we follow all BIS norms to produce the water here. In the entire process of water making here, sometimes water becomes very low for its density of minerals. But here, we normally get most perfect level of minerals required, and we do not have to add any external minerals in the water. All the required tests are carried out perfectly in the lab to get water that is as pure as true friendship.